Did you report it to the authority?
Yes.
That moment.
I reported it at the panel.
No. The time he told you, did you go straight to report him? I'm not talking about panel. Let's come to panel. Did you go to report him?
No, I did not.
He did not report it to anybody.
I'm sorry, my lord. The witness said he reported at the panel.
No. We are getting to that, please. No. Listen.
My lord, I'm very sorry. My lord, I'm very sorry. The witness said he reported at the panel. I wouldn't know if the witness was taking down that he said he reported at the panel, my lord.
I reported at the panel. The disciplinary panel.
But that's not my question.
He asked you whether you reported anywhere and said no.
No, I said panel, but he was now telling me that I should report panel. He insisted that I should respond to that outside of the panel.
Okay, outside the panel.
Yes, before the panel.
Because there was no venue for me to report to anybody at that point.
Okay. I hope you are following, right?
Huh?
Take it. Where is that? No, I took to your lawyer. Is she with us at all? Please confirm with it.
I'm sorry, my lord. I cannot hear my lord.
Okay, you can hear me now.
I'm sorry. My lord is on mute. I can't really hear my lord. I'm sorry.
I say, I hope you are following.
Yes, my lord. I am, my lord.
You are following ahead. So he's asking him before the panel whether he reported it anywhere. And he said no. Yes, let's go.
So, did you report to the police, for instance, when you accosted you and told you to say?
We
report to the police.
We don't take civil matters to the police outside of our chief executive until our chief executive is involved in that. I cannot go and report the police for my colleagues.
So you did not now?
Yeah, I did not.
So he did not.
Sir, I say we can't take civil matters to the police except our chief executive is involved in that. That was the reason why I had to report at the panel.
In other words, you did not report to the police now. That is a simple question. If you reported to the police, yes, I did, or I did not. I didn't ask you to explain why you did not. But that's an explanation. It's not the question, it's not an answer to the question I raised. My question is, did you report to the police? I didn't ask you for explanation why you did not. Did you report it to the police?
I did not report to the police.
That's it.
Yes.
Did you read the query made to the claimant? Did you read the query made to him?
The query
By the
that
authority.
the one issued to him.
Yes.
No, I didn't read it.
Okay. You also did not read his response.
It was read out at the panel.
Did you read the?
I did not.
I'm asking you these questions because of what you said. Because you gave impression you know everything he said and what he answered. Give your witness statement on it. So when you did not read them, how did you come about your conclusion in your witness statement that his statements were contradictory?
That is why I say it was read at the panel. Whatever you see here, there was an investigation. So the investigation came from the panel. All those things you see, it was from the panel. I was part of the. I was
a member of the panel.
I was a member of the panel. I was invited for this marriage.
So if you're not a member of the panel, right, you couldn't be saying anything about whether it was contradictory or not.
It was mentioned there. It was mentioned there.
Well, that's a matter.
It was mentioned there.
That's okay. That's okay. That's okay. Did you have opportunity to interrogate the claimant at the panel?
Not directly.
Yes. Witness.
Sir?
Did the claimant interrogate you at the panel?
He did not.
Do you have a record of proceedings of that panel? Do you have it?
I wasn't the secretary.
He does not have
Yes,
the
sir.
record of proceedings. He also did not see it. Record of the panel proceedings? Yes, sir. He said he also did not see it. Yes, he was not the secretary. He did not see it also. Now, after this investigation, it was an investigation panel, right? After this investigation, was any disciplinary committee set up to review the outcome of this investigation? To your knowledge?
Yes.
To your knowledge?
That was already a disciplinary committee.
No. I'm asking you a question. It was an investigative panel. The letter is there. I'm asking you, after that process, was there a separate committee set up to review the outcome of this investigation? To your knowledge? To your knowledge?
I was
In other words,
Yes.
in other, this investigation investigated, took evidence, acted on their and recommended. Confirm that too.
That should be. That would have been.
Yes.
Yes. What rank were you at that of this investigation?
I was a principal.
He was the principal. Yes.
Where
I was a senior staff. I was a senior staff.
That's grade level.
That's 10.
Okay.
Yes.
Yes.
I hope you are about rounding up.
The second defender, first, you know him.
My registrar.
Your registrar.
Yes, sir.
Are you aware that this already has been enmeshed in allegations of mismanagement of JAM, finances, and graft?
I'm not aware of that.
Another asked him if he's aware that the second defendant, the registrar of JAM, has been enmeshed in allegations of mismanagement of finances and graft. He said he's not aware. Yes. You are not aware of an accountant with JAM, one ISA, the physically challenged ISA. You're not aware that he's taking him everywhere on allegations of graft?
It's not within my purview. I'm not aware of all this.
Okay. No, sorry, sir. I will show you this and hear your comments. My Lord, it's their process. The process they file. Some of the documents they front-loaded. I have a certified true copy of the process. I intend to ask him questions on some of those documents.
Yeah.
Some also may have been tendered, some may not have been tendered. Please take a look at this document. It's just a single page, an incomplete document, the way you concluded. Can I read out the date that
23rd August 2022.
the heading?
The heading is request for ministerial approval on management's recommended decisions of various various disciplinary cases of some staff of the board.
Now check if there are accompanying documents to that letter. That. Open it, next page. I can help you. Are they accompanying? No. This letter. Are they accompanying documents?
No, there's no document attached to it.
Okay, fine. Now, I'll also ask you, that is meant to be a communication to the Honorable Minister. Is that correct?
Based on what you say,
yes.
So I've not read
the address now. So it's addressed. Who is it addressed to?
To the Honorable Minister.
Beautiful. Now, can you show us anywhere that document was received in that office? A stamp receipt, the way it is done in formal offices.
This document is not from the last this thing here. There's supposed to be another page of document.
That's what we're saying, but this is what you submitted to court. Don't worry about that. What we're saying is here. Is there any evidence of any receipt showing that it was received?
And like I said, I cannot see the next page, so I wouldn't know what was doing on the next page.
Well, that's all right.
I'm sorry, my lord. Please, I want to confirm the exhibits that the council is referring to.
No, not exhibits, your process.
As the court pleases. Okay.
It's not an exhibit.
Okay. Okay.
Yes, okay.
Look at that too. That letter supposedly is a response to this one. Yes. And that was addressed to the first defendant. Can you show me where receipt, evidencing that at jump office? Yes, sir. Yes, sir. That's all right. Now, of course, you will not know too. Because you do not know or not receive JAMB or the Ministry of Education. An inquiry was made, right? Can you read out this?
That's exhibit what, Council? It's not an exhibit.
So we intend.
Okay.
Inquiry into the authenticity of a letter purportedly made for and on behalf of the Honorable Minister of Education. Please refer to the subject matter above with respect to which we write you. My name is Ogo Eme, and I work at the Bayelsa State Office of the Joint Admission and Matriculation Board. Sometime in 2021, I was invited to a senior staff investigation panel on allegation that I had acted in a manner to bring to the Joint Admission and Matriculation Board a disrepute, which I denied. Certain recommendations were said to be made to the Honorable Minister of Education and approvals obtained from him. I had since made an appeal against the said recommendations. Copy to your office, please. Copy to your office. Please find attached appeal. I have not received any response from your office since 2023. In the response of this pursuit, I have found that the letter purportedly written to you, to your office, was never received at your registry. The purported response to the letter not shown to have been received in your office was also not shown to have been received at the Joint Admission and Matriculation Board. Okay.
My Lord, we seek to tell
Sorry,
that.
who authored the letter? Okay.
The letter was authored because we needed to ascertain the authenticity of documents said to have been sent to the Honorable Minister of Education and Education has not confirmed.
Now, how relevant is it tendering it through this witness?
Because we are aware that by law's court is not strict to the procedure. Yes, but we consider its relevance.
Okay.
Because yes, consider its relevance.
So make your application. Let me get to hear you.
So, my Lord, we seek to tender this in evidence. The letter relates to everything pleaded in this matter. The appeal made to the Minister of Education.
You seek to tender what? Letter. Describe the letter so that I can.
Sorry, let me.
We seek to tender. Yes.
The letter is dated 22nd of January
2nd January
2026. 22nd.
Oh, 22nd.
The authenticity of a letter purported.
Sorry, gently. We want to. So the letter is dated what?
January 2026.
2026? This census.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Yes.
Inquiry into the authenticity of a letter purportedly made
Inquiry
on
into
behalf the authenticity
authenticity. Yes.
of a
Of your letter.
purportedly made
Yes.
and on behalf of the education.
Yes.
A lot of data relates to documents tendered by the first and second development. A lot will recall communication that pointed out only a single sheet that was nine files, and then suddenly bundle of documents had the opportunity because so we needed as when we found document there was no evidence.
What is your application, Mr. Honora? What is your application?
Application is to tender the document in evidence. Pass the facts in issue before the honorable court. Following the way those documents were it became necessary to ascertain their
Yes,
and being relevant. My Lord, you say
it's okay. Yes, say that.
My Lord, I'll be opposing to the tendering of that document. I wouldn't know if my Lord would want me to make my opposition now, or we defy it to address my Lord.
Well,
I wouldn't
I
know
prefer you defy it. You defy it to final address.
as the court pleases. My Lord, I would defer my argument on that opposition to the final address.
Yes, Council. Registrar, let me see the document. The document certificate. Well, the document dated 22nd day of January 2026, addressed to the third defendant, authored by the claimant, is hereby admitted and marked as Exhibit Susuan 1. That's the name of the witness through whom you are. Yes, Register and Counsel, your time is almost up. Yes.
Mr. Susan,
Yes, sir.
you do not know anything about the second defendant's letters and their recommendation to the Honorable Minister signing the claimant. You do not.
I'm not aware because we want to defend you.
He is not aware of the recommendations of the first and second defendants to the third defendant. That's the minister. Yes.
Not anything about third defendant's approval for those recommendations.
You did not ask him now. You did not ask him. You are asking him. Okay.
Said you also do not know what decisions taken on those recommendations by the third defendant, the Honorable Minister of Education.
No, I'm not aware.
Were you, did you suffer demotion as a result of this matter? Did you?
Yes, not just demotion.
What, tell us?
I suffered demotion for 3 years.
No, demotion from your rank as an assistant chief, you said?
No, principal officer at the time.
Were you demoted?
I was not demoted. I was only stopped from writing promotion exam.
Were you demoted? Is one question.
He was not demoted, but he was what?
But I was not allowed to write his promotion exam for 3 years.
Okay.
Dr. Ben, you're from where? Tribe in Nigeria. What tribe?
I'm from Benue.
No state.
I'm Chief.
Yes. Yes, Council, are you done? It's like, I think you are done.
Benjamin is also Chief. Dr. Benjamin.
I know he's from Benue. I don't know whether he's Chief.
He's Chief.
You're just telling me, sir.
Okay.
You're just telling me.
Hello, that is all for you.
Thank you.
No, we're very grateful for
No problem.
Can't it?
Re-examination, Egat.
No, my lord, there's no re-examination.
Okay. Thank you. Mr. Titus Suzuan, you're welcome. You can step down.
Ending of March, which is very good.
Yes, Egat Olushesi.
Yes, my lord, that will be the case of the first and second defendants.
The case of the first and second defendants is hereby closed.
As well, please.
Yes. Yes, yes. For sure. Mm. So what are you saying? The okay.
Sorry, my lord, I can't hear what Melanie
It's
Senior is
applying
saying.
that we should make an order for final written addresses.
As the court pleases.
I believe you are not objecting.
Not my lord.
To do what? Well, all the processes you are going to file, make sure that it is served on them. Yes, that's just what we are going to. It's good. Well, I said final written addresses are hereby ordered in line with the provisions of the rules of this court, which means, EGAT, you are going to
Yes, my
start.
lord.
You are going to start. I mean, your final written address. You file your final written address first. Then, upon service, you have 21 days to respond. Then EGAT will have 7 days to reply.
As well,
Is that
please.
okay?
Yes, my lord.
Okay, so you have 21 days, EGAT.
Yes, my lord.
Can we leave it open so that if you file in all your papers, processes, we now fix the date for adoption? Or you want us
My
to
lord
give
can
you a date?
adjourn, my lord. Yes, my
Oh,
lord.
you want to? Okay. Registrar. 6th May. Okay.
My lord, I would only apply to join via Zoom on 6th May.
You okay? It should be virtual, right?
Yes, my lord. I would
No
apply
problem.
to join via virtually 6th May.
Okay. Okay.
I'm grateful, my lord.
Okay. Well, I said this case is adjourned to 6th day of May 2026 for adoption of final written addresses. Meanwhile, the proceedings shall also be virtual. The proceedings.
I'm grateful, my lord.
Thank you. Any other case? Okay. What do you